Welcome back everyone in my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan. In today's video I'll be talking about deleting the responses in Google Form from your mobile device. So let's start today's topic. But before diving into today's topic, guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan yet, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the future videos. So let's start today's topic. For this you can see this is the form that we prepared in the last video. So you can see there's a questions. Just by the questions you can see there's a response. You can see there's one response over here, and yes, just over here by the side here you can see there's a 3 dot. When you click in the 3 dot you'll get these options, and yes, delete all the response. Click in delete all the response. After that, okay, now you can see that your responses are deleted. So this is how, guys, you can delete the responses in Google Form from your Android device or from your mobile phone. Thank you everyone, see you in next video. Bye bye.